In this video, we're talking about an overview of USGA Rule 10, which is preparing for and making a stroke, advice and help, and caddies. Now, 10.1 talks about making the stroke, talks about how to fairly strike the ball, talks about anchoring the club. Obviously, we're not allowed to anchor the club in certain areas of our body anymore. It also talks about making a stroke while standing across or on the line, playing moving ball, and things like that. Now 10.2 talks about advice and helping others. So we're not allowed to give or receive advice from any other players during our round, and we're not allowed to touch their equipment. Maybe we're on a par 3 and we're moving around their clubs to try to figure out which club they use. 10.3 talks about caddies. Caddy may help player during the round. Obviously, it's going to talk about what they can and cannot do. Under the new rule, a lot of stink was being made about how a caddy cannot help your alignment anymore. So it kind of talks about what your caddy is allowed to help you with, what they're not allowed to help you with. So anything you need to know about your caddies will be found under 10.3. So Rule 10 is a good rule. There was a lot of rule changes throughout the years that took place in this rule, so it's a great rule to know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand it a little bit better, and we'll see you next time.